Hello everyone, we are doing one of the case study from the board paper. A road roller, often called a roller compactor or just a roller, is an engineering vehicle used to compact soil, gravel, concrete or asphalt in the construction of road and foundations. So there is a company of the road roller which manufacture it and show that the number of products produced each year form an AP. So the company produced 270 road roller in the 4th year and 510 in the 10th year. That means 270 in the 4th year, that means A4 is given to us as 270, and in the 10th year 510, that means A10 is given to us as 510. If they have given A4, that means this is A plus 3D and this one is A plus 9D. So you know A plus 4, sorry, you know A4 and A10, that means A plus 3D is 270 and A plus 9D is 510. So these are two equations. Using this subtracting, you will get the value of D. So 9 and 3 give you minus 60 equal to minus of 510 and 270. When you subtract, you will get minus 240. So minus and minus sign will cancel out and you will get 6D is equal to 240. So D comes out to be 240 by 6. So D is 40. So you know the difference is 40, and we know A plus 3D is equal to 270. Putting the value of D over here, so A plus 3 into 40 is equal to 270, which gives you A plus 120 equal to 270. So A comes out to be 270 minus 120. So which gives the value of A as 150. So now you know A and D. So your A is 150, your D is 40. So as we know, an A4 is given to us as 270 and we know A10 is 510. So based on this information which we have taken out and which are given to us, we have to start solving the first part. What was the company production in the first year? So in the first year, as we have already calculated, the company production will be A, which is 150 road rollers. What was the company production in the 8th year? So to calculate the 8th year, that means you have to calculate A8. And what is A8? A8 is A plus 7D. You know the value of A. A is 150 plus 7 and D is 40. So 150 plus 280 will give you the production in the 8th year, which comes out to be 150 plus 280 is 430. So this is the production in the 8th year. So in the next part, what was the company total production for first 6 years? So they are asking total production. That means for 6 years, that means we have to calculate S6. So S6 will be what? N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 D, where your N is 6 and A and D you already know. So putting the value, S6 is equal to 6 by 2, 2 into 150, 6 minus 1 and D is your 40. So this will become 5 into 40 and 2, 3. So 3, 2 into 150 will give you 300 plus 5 into 40. 5 into 40 is 200. 200 plus 300 is 500. So 300 plus 200, which gives you 3 into 500, which comes out to be 1500. So the total production for the 6 years, for the first 6 years is 1500 road rollers. So in the next part, find the ratio of the second year. Second year, that means you have to calculate A2. A2 is what? A plus T. And the 8th year, that means A8. You have to find the ratio of second year of the production to the 8th year of the production. So A8 we have already calculated here. You got 430. So using the same, just 430. So A2 we will calculate. A2 is what? 150 plus D is 40. So 190. And the ratio of the second year to the 8th year will be 190 by 430 gives you 19:43. So this is the production of second year and the 8th year. I hope this is clear to you. If you have any doubt, please message me in the comment box.